Traditionally, building software takes months of planning and coding. But right now, you can watch a functional web and mobile app generate itself in minutes. You do not need to know a single line of code to do this. The only thing you need is a well-crafted text description of your idea. The engine making this possible is Replit Agent 4. It takes the historically separate phases of designing, building, and deploying software and executes them simultaneously. Before you start, you need 3 things: an active Replit account, access to Agent 4, and a clear concept. When the AI handles the syntax and the architecture, the focus changes. The primary barrier to building your product is no longer technical expertise, but how clearly you can define the vision. Step 1. Open your dashboard, click Create New Project, and select Agent 4 from the menu. Most new users fail right here. They submit a vague single-sentence command, which leaves the AI guessing. A successful master prompt splits your command into 3 measurable components: purpose, audience, and features. For an expense tracker, the purpose is logging daily spending, audience is college students, and features are a receipt scanner and budget chart. Once you hit enter, the system instantly parses your logic and automatically scaffolds the foundational project directory in the background. Front-loading your logic into a highly structured prompt directly replaces hours of manual architecture planning and project setup. The interface transitions into the infinite canvas view, where you can directly manipulate the visual layout of your app. You can instruct the AI to execute global thematic changes across the entire interface. Type Apply Dark Mode, and the color palette updates everywhere at once. Because this canvas is infinite, hold down the spacebar to pan and use your scroll wheel to zoom. This keeps you oriented as you rearrange your UI components. Next, we issue a multi-part functional command to trigger parallel feature building. Tell the agent to add user authentication and a transaction search bar in the same prompt. This logic tree demonstrates what happens in the backend: a single central command diverging into multiple simultaneous processing paths allows distinct AI agents to build your database structure and your search logic at the exact same time. Once the agents finish, you must verify their work. Test these newly generated features live within the preview window to ensure everything functions properly. Moving from a human line-by-line coding sequence to parallel AI execution removes the traditional bottlenecks of software development. To ship the working app, click the Deploy button in the top right corner to initiate the final sequence. This process takes a few minutes. Watch the terminal logs scrolling at the bottom of the screen. These indicators confirm the system is actively compiling and hasn't frozen. This network model shows the result. From a single source node, the system is deploying data simultaneously to a live web address and packaging it as a standalone mobile application. Cross-platform deployment historically required distinct codebases and separate engineering teams. Now, you achieve both outputs in a single execution step. To verify the web application, copy the generated URL and open it in an incognito browser. This confirms it is publicly accessible on the internet. To verify the mobile app, scan the system-generated QR code with your phone. The application will instantly launch on your screen. In minutes, you bypassed writing syntax, planned a visual layout, utilized parallel AI agents, and deployed across multiple platforms. You will find your access links below the project console. Copy those URLs and share them with your users. By combining these steps, the distance between an idea and a functional product has narrowed from months of engineering to a single 15-minute session.